Welcome to another video by Tshukudu BehindCam. On this video we take a boat cruise trip at Swadine Dam. Swadine Dam is situated 35 kilometers from Tshukudu and only 75 kilometers from the open gate of the Kruger National Park. The boat cruise offers a slightly different viewpoint of the three rendezvous. We even spotted hippo and crocodile on our exclusive boat trip. Kadishi Tufa Waterfall is the second tallest tufa waterfall at 200 meters high. The mountain on top of that gorilla face is the viewpoint at the three rendezvous.